This is a lovely home both inside and out. Resting on 3 totally fenced and unrestricted acres west/run-in barns, a custom 2-stall stable, an elegant and open split floor plan, luxurious master suite, great room west/cathedral ceiling and gas fireplace, brand new kitchen, new hardwood floors, formal living and dining RMS, breakfast room west/full bump out and much more. Offers 3 bdrms, 3 bths and 2,300 fin square feet. Plus the full walkout basement has a nearly fin family room, full BTH and lots of extra space waiting for your finishing touches.